Frédéric Boutin, Geneviève Breton.
It may take weeks, months, or even longer before the full cost of the Lac-Mégantic tragedy finally sinks in. But as the town gathers to mourn, and the province and country lend supporting hands, the chimes of the bell at the St. Agnes Church are a grim reminder of the brutal reality left in the wake of a horrifying but perhaps preventable accident.
My cousin phoned and said we lost a cousin. Then I did cry a lot,
5.5 million liters of oil that were spilled, contaminating ground and water, are from the 72 tanks that were full of crude oil being hauled through the town.
Diane Bizier, Guy Bolduc.
There are the houses that were incinerated and the ones that'll have to be demolished. And there are 187 left homeless and uncertain, waiting for answers. Not everyone remembers the workers toiling 12 to 16 hours a day searching for bodies and evidence. But the police investigation is hard to forget because criminal negligence is suspected.
Marie-France Boulet, Yves Boulet.
Every one of the 6,000 residents is affected, one way or another, as are others from far away who are here in spirit.
I can see that Canadian people are all one heart and one soul.
No one knows why the train moved after the lone engineer parked and left it, but 47 souls are believed to have perished when it ran away, jumped the track, and exploded.
Réal Cousteau, Denise Dubois.
And the toll it has taken on this town is immeasurable. Phil Carpenter, The Gazette.